we're gonna get started. Welcome back to Girl That's My Purse. Basically today is gonna be our little animation day, hence on the top, Cinderella Princess vibe. We're gonna do 3 purses today, just because this week has been an awesome week for us. Our website is now up. Check us out, girlthat'smypurse.com. All of the purses are there. We're always updating with new things. Check out our Halloween purses as well. We just got those in. Super cute, super cute, super cute. And we'll get started. So our first purse is the Attitude purse. The Attitude purse basically has this whole London vibe look, but it's kind of cartoonish to me. It's a clutch. It's a mini clutch. It does hold a lot of things. The lock is in front of the little mirror area. Go ahead and open that. And also this comes with a strap as well. So you can turn this into a shoulder bag or you can keep it as a clutch. Both sides have the car front. So after I closed it. Both sides have the car front. This one basically the front of the car, this would be the back of the car. Nothing on the back, literally. But it's cute. This purse is $65 basically, and I didn't even close it right. Again, I call this the Attitude purse. So if you like it, check it out on the website. Last look at it, and then one of my other favorite purses. I call this the Cutie purse. I have it in 4 colors. This is also a mini clutch as well. Push it back, open it. Most of the clutches that I do have all come with chains, so in case you're not a person that just likes to carry things by your hand or literally by the handle like me, because I kind of like to show off my bags. People always like, what is that? I'm like, girl, that's my purse. Get it? That's my name here from. Anyway, like I said, they all come with chains, so if you want to make it a shoulder bag, it's always possible. It's not an option, you have to choose. So I have it in the pink. I also have it in the black. Again, nothing on the back. It's just the front. It's just numbers. It's a cutie purse, but it's made like a little old school telephone purse. I have that one. I also have it in white. And then last but not least, which is the next best favorite color, is the clear one. I love this color. Like I said, all of them come with the chain, so if you don't want to carry it by hand, you can go ahead and carry it with the chain, make it a handbag, put it over your shoulder. Still cute, still going to be a conversation piece, still going to start conversations. So that's done. Again, that's the Cutie purse. This one is also on our website. Again, 4 colors: pink, black, white, and the clear. Last but not least, I have what I call the Karma purse. Now, it's nothing but a cute little purse with some eyelashes, big eyes. This purse also comes with a chain. It's not a clutch purse, so you have to go ahead and attach the chain to it, make it a shoulder bag. This purse comes in 6 different colors. So I have black, I have a baby blue. Again, there's nothing on the back, it's just the front. So I have a baby blue, I have yellow, there's also an orange, I have a red. The orange and the red look really, really similar. This one actually has the chain on it. It comes with a kind of a lengthy chain. Stand up. It's pretty long. Like I said, red and orange are similar, so be careful when you're choosing the colors. Make sure you click orange, or that's the color you look for, the red, because even in the screen, they kind of look the same. And then lastly, I have this very like baby pinkish color. Almost like a light rose pink in a sense, but it is pink. These are called the Karma purses, because these eyes, like, you think you got away with your type thing. Anyway. These purses are $25. So again, go ahead, check us out on the website, www.girlthat'smypurse.com. And again, I haven't talked about all our purses yet, but everyone that you will see me or haven't seen me with so far is there. Go ahead, check out our website. Make sure you shop with these other women, other businesses. Always support everybody. We have Kat with the nails. We have the Bragg Empire, Pink's Palace. I mean, if I forgot you, all love. Can't remember right now. But if anything, don't forget, check us out. Again, Halloween bags on sale. Oh, and as a thank you, we have our Chinese takeout bags. This bag is going to be on sale on the website. We did just go ahead and go live for the first time with our website. So as a thank you to you, we have this bag as a discount on there. Check them out in many colors. I think I have like 13 different colors there. Maybe next time I'll go ahead and do a little preview of them. But thank you for shopping with us. Bye.